jya wa gatanu umugore wa gatandatu ubwo ni mituweli 6
ubwo ni ibihumbi
18
gushyira kuri 50 amavuta nanga
amavuta 13 litiro
18 okay 29 30 80 okay hari ikindi
nta kindi rwose mbabyeyi nta
gacupa
okay
agacupa si
ngaho mpereza inyogo ye
ni wane
wowe bite
ni swaga
niki ukeneye nona urifuza iki
icyo nkeneye nkeneye amafaranga yo kwishyura inzu n'isukari n'ifu y'igikoma
angahe yose hamwe
inzu ku kwezi nishyuraga ibihumbi 10 ku kwezi ukwezi kumwe kubera twebwe wacu ni mu cyaro ubwo ni nk'amezi nk'atanu n'ifu y'igikoma n'isukari n'ibyo ngibyo
nibyo byonyine yose hamwe nangahe
n'ibyo kurya
byose hamwe rero ukubiye byose nangahe
ibihumbi 100
ukishyura amezi 5 inzu
ego
akarahahamo
okay aho ngaho ni sawa abantu mwashyiremo request umuntu uhita ufata inyogo ye ahita ashyiramo request muri comment ndi kubareba hanyuma noneho nzovu mu mundekere twagiye muguma ahangaha ndashaka kubakorera umunsi ngaho mwe hasi guys mureke twese mureke dukore iyi geste turebe niba bishoboka niko nzovu sagiye
ndahari
nzovu
ndahari boss
hanyuma okay twagiye vuga okay inyogo ye
yola
ngaho mvuga ngo Godfather
iki
kagongereza muri
mvuga ngo
Godfather
nzovu mvuga ngo
Godfather
wabikora kubishaka kicwa n'uburoro okay twagiye ahangaha sasa rero guys twagiye ndashaka kugira ngo let's get this blessings ninde uri hano hantu umuntu ushyira muri request ashyira muri request agiye gukora ikintu cya fresh we andikamo mpite kuzamura ndazamura abantu bitewe n'ikintu ugiye gukora please andikamo nkuzamure twagiye
hose dutabare byari bindemerereye
kugenda gake twagiye ninde muntu hano
utayabonye ko
uretse gato ngo mutayabonye muki nzovu uvuze ngo
ndabona batayabonye kubera ubusinzi bwawe
yakaba yasinze
ari he
ntabwo wamenya naho aherereye
Diane
yamanye na dusabiwe
wowe okay
kamera mabusha
Diane va kuri kamera vuga ibyo utanga uvuye kuri kamera
Diane kuri mwiza
Eugene wowe twagiye Eugene shyira muri request nkuzamure
ndagufana
urakoze mukobwa mwiza
Diane burekana na Diane babandi abantu bagiye kubaha amafaranga
wambomoza
umva ariko
nzovu rata mubaze subiza okay wamubomoza
Diane ni mwiza nukuri
nzova byo ngibyo biretse
asa nkaho mukonyine wanjye.
Okay, twagiye musubiza Diane, wamuha Diane?
Ntumbabarize umusaza Diane.
Amuha
Diane wimbabaza nuko.
Ndagufana.
Diane nzagu cyangombwa cy'ubutaka.
nyine, wamuha arakwaza niba wamuha.
Oya.
No, Diane. Diane kandi watuma njya mu mugozi.
Kubera iki?
Ko unyanze.
Njye nkunda Asian.
Ukunda nde?
Nkunda Asian.
Indi.
Ere.
Ere. Ariko
Njye
uje nka
nkunda
indi.
nkunda Abachina.
Abachina.
Diya yororere igendera.
Abachina.
Igire muri mu.
Uri hehe? Uherereye he? Uri hehe?
Njyewe mu Bwongereza.
uje gusapotinga abana bajene cyangwa
Nguki?
uje gusapotinga abana bajene cyangwa ntabwo uje kubasapotinga?
Ndabafotinga. Ndabafana.
Uretse gato. Ngwino hano gato. Okay, I am Eugene, zamuka bro. Eugene shyira muri request nkuzamure. Eugene shyira muri request nkuzamure. Okay. Noneho ndeba Nyabitanga ukuntu ari ikicucu avuye kuri kamera, avuye kuri ntuzaga kuri kamera Diane.
Why?
Can you come on camera?
Kubera iki?
Rero uyu nguyu ahubwo ntabwo wari inzovu
kubera ko wari wabikoze.
Okay. I did.
Ako se waragiye Nyabitanga. Garura abajene hano ntabwo.
Ari mu guhamagara, reka turi muri shoot, telefone ngiye kwanyereka amazina n'abayigufashije, nimukenera nimero arayibabwira.
Ndagufana.
JP.
Umva we Diane.
No, ndafisa n'uyu mukobwa ndamufana cyane, ndakubona muri YouTube yawe.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ingereze picture wayifashe. Pino ushaka kuyimute nze nani?
Uyu nguyu ni gati. None se urabajyanye we Nyabitanga, niba ujanye abasore nawe manuka.
Ngo nimba ubajyanye ngo nawe manuka.
Mwabita.
Bavuga gute se?
Urababuze umugatisha.
Niba bamanutse. Niko Diane.
Karame.
Ngwino hano gato, reka kunyeganyeza kamera, shyira kamera ngo ubundi nkurebe, nkuvugishe nkurebe. Kubera iki? Uri umunyarwanda?
Yes.
Utuye England nkaye?
London.
London. Uhamaze igihe kingana iki? 5 years.
Naje hano mfite imyaka 8.
Ufite uretse gato. Waje ufite imyaka 8.
None amazita.
None wabaze imyaka 5. Bivuze ngo ufite imyaka
25.
8. Okay.
Afite 13.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm uretse gato. Wageze ufite imyaka 8.
Yeah.
Wageze England ufite imyaka 8.
Yes.
None wamaze imyaka 5. None none ufite imyaka ingahe?
25.
Okay.
You asked me this free time.
Okay. So 8
That's actually
5.
weird.
Wait a second. 8 plus 5, 25.
Yes.
Ngwino shiri, ngwino uretse kugenda. Come over here. Guys, wait a second. No, ni musiki. Shushu, where do you get off the camera? Where are you going?
I'm shy.
Okay, so
No, don't be shy.
Okay.
Because you guys are laughing at me. It's not nice.
No, we don't. No. We're not laughing on you. So, Twaji, okay. So, how long have you been there? Maybe you can around the for you.
Okay, I don't know how to say anything around them.
Okay. How long have you been in the UK?
It's a long time. I came here to 2027 something.
2020 something, euro.
Yes.
No. How many years have you been in the UK?
I don't know. It's a long time.
Yes.
Buretse gato. Diane niwe ubundi niwe narabuze. Okay, let's move on. So Mama.
Yeah?
So
This is
Diana.
what happened. I would never marry random people laughing me.
Okay,
No.
why did you choose to
We laugh for the message.
Ako saretse kumvira mu irungu.
Ariko ya ngo tukumva.
Kazongo, yeah.
Diana. Why did you choose to date Asian people? Wait, do you think of Asian women?
Because they are nice.
How?
They're cute.
Because they have small day.
Yeah, they have a beautiful smiling, beautiful face.
Mm-hmm.
So people don't judge people like marry. If you people want to marry like Korean or India or Rwanda or black or white is your choice.
Wana gukunze ndabikora nte?
Njye ngukunda, ntabwo njye ngukunda.
Kubera kutankunda.
Ntabwo muzi.
Ufite imyaka ingahe?
Me? I told you, it's 25 on my days.
Umaze imyaka ingahe
Nindirikwamo yo
Hey, ndagufana wa ari heye.
ngo yarahari. No, umaze imyaka ingahe mu Bwongereza Diane?
Why do you want to know?
Ariko urabitubwiye ngiro tubwire.
Why?
Zovu. Diane. Ufite abana bangahe?
Njyewe nafite abana.
Ntabwo ufite abana?
Why?
Umaze kudatinga abashinwa bangahe?
Ntabwo dating.
Diane ukora iki?
Ndahinga. Uri iki? Ndahinga.
Nese abantu ni gute abantu njye maranzi ko abantu batuze mu twatajya bahereza telefone. Mu Bwongereza.
Ibintu tuzahura nabyo hano. Aravuga nka AI.
Ubundi Diane niwe wanjye.
Aravuga nka AI. Ndahinga. Yaza ko hano muri Amerika nari kumwaprayinga nk'igifu.
Nakataraza muzakazana. Bro, this platform nakasa umutwe ndakurahiye.
Noneho mugara.
Diana aragarutse. Nase Diana wari kujya kwiruhukira ko nari nkomanuye waba ugiye kwiruhukira sheri.
Watching nagari ninjoro.
Wagiye gukwikira isuka ukagira ubuntu ukuntu uza guhinga.
Nakubeshyaga, nagumenga.
Ukora iki?
Ubwongereza barahinga.
Murya iki?
Ibiryo bivuye muri how do you say in English? How do you say mu Kinyarwanda? Bivuye mu isoko.
Umaze imyaka ingahe mu Bwongereza kandi umusubizo uri serious?
Oh my days. You told me this 3 times. Now we got to
You're gonna answer that question or I drop you again.
Why?
Can you answer that question? So to answer the question is not a big deal, by the way.
Okay, how long have you been in Rwanda?
It's forever. They mean since I born.
Good.
My whole life.
So you want to move different country?
No, answer my question. So I ask you the question, you skip your answer.
Okay. I've been here about 4 days.
None baretse kugira nk'ikigoryi ukaba umuntu mukuru. The fuck?
That's not nice. Listen, this is what happened. I'm never married Rwandan people. They're actually swearing.
And nobody can marry you. Stop that nonsense. Talk to me normally. So like, what do you mean you live in the UK for days? So stop. Who told you we need you to marry you?
Okay, let me ask. Okay, let me type you.
Uri umunyarwandakazi?
Yes.
Umaze imyaka ingahe mu Bwongereza?
I just write it.
Ndakuboroka.
Okay, 5.
5 what?
5 years.
From where?
From here.
No, I mean before 5 years wabaga he?
Mu Rwanda.
Mu Rwanda he?
Gitaramo.
None ufite imyaka ingahe? How old are you?
Oh my days.
No, this is the last question nkubaza. How old are you?
I'm 25.
25 and you umaze imyaka 5 mu Bwongereza.
Yes.
And you don't know Kinyarwanda?
Yeah.
Okay. Interesting.
I know a little bit.
Irunga.
Ntabwo nzi kucyandika, ntabwo nzi ku
Yeah.
Okay,
wagiye mu Bwongereza cyane.
Uretse gato, igitarama mwavuga uruhe rurimi?
Ikinyarwanda.
Uretse gato.
Bone kuvuga nka AI. Yeah.
Diane,
You don't make sense, bro.
what is it again? So, umaze imyaka 5 mu Bwongereza.
Yes.
None ikinyarwanda muke.
Ndikiri umwana naracyumvaga cyane.
Hanyuma umaze
gukura kiraho ndakibajya buhoro.
None niba warakibagirwaga wavugaga iki?
Ndishye umwana?
Uri umwana wavugaga iki kirimi?
Ikinyarwanda cyinshi.
Hanyuma ukibagirwa ufite nk'imyaka ingahe?
Nibagiwe mfite ba 14 or 11.
14, 11. Nuvuga ngo 14, 11 wabaga he?
Nabaga he? Hano?
Kandi hamaze imyaka 5.
We naje ndagahinja.
Uretse gato. Waje uragahinja?
Ntabwo naragahinja ba nari mfite imyaka 8.
Uretse gato.
Nurura aha ngaha. Nkoreza amashuri hano.
None umaze imyaka ingahe mu Bwongereza?
Oh my days. Ntabwo nabikubwiye.
Imyaka 5.
Yes.
Waje ufite imyaka 8. None nuvuga ngo kuva ku myaka 8 ufite imyaka 25. So mu myaka 25 umaze imyaka 5 mu Bwongereza. Yamaze imyaka ingahe mu nzira mu ndebe mumbarira imyaka amaze mu nzira?
Aruvuze ngo yacitse ibitaro.
Abantu bumbaye
yanyuze muri Kanare urumva.
No, yamaze imyaka ingahe?
Ubwato burahagama ntabwo wamurenganya.
Ubwato je navuye mu ndege. Okay, indege nayifata muri Kampala.
None se iyo ndege yagiye imyaka ingahe?
Uretse gato, wayifatiye he indege?
Kampala,
Uganda. So, Uganda hamaze igihe kingana iki?
2 weeks.
What? Wamaze 2 weeks Kampala. Kuva Kampala kugera UK wakoresheje igihe kingana iki?
Ntabwo mbizi, ni kera, ntabwo ndi umwana.
Ntabwo uri umwana?
Yamaze imyaka 10 n'imyaka.
Ntabwo mbizi, ntabwo nabimenye.
Ntabwo wabimenye?
Ni kera naje.
Mwamaze iminsi ingahe mu nzira kugira ngo mugere muri UK?
Simbizi, kuba nari umwana muto ntabwo nari mbizi. Byose narabigiye.
Uyu murenganya yagiye mu ndege avuye UK ajya muri India bajya kumubaga asubira muri Nigeria kumuteranya then asubira muri UK.
Njye ntabwo bambanze. Didn't have a passion. Are you okay? The heck?
What is your passion?
No. Njye ntabwo nshaka kubaga. It's dangerous.
No, I have a question for you, Diana. You are 25 years old, okay? Let me make it clean in English, okay?
Yeah.
Yes.
You you came from Rwanda when you are 8 years old, okay? So now you're 25. Now, and you spent 5 years in the UK. So before coming in the UK, where have you been?
Me? I've been in you mean travel?
The fuck?
Travel from where to where?
You traveling? Wait a second. You traveling for 13 years?
I don't even know. I'm confused. I don't know what you're saying.
Okay. Where did you went to school?
Here. Yeah.
How
I
many-
mean, you mean Rwanda or here?
No. Okay, in UK, how many years did you go into school?